Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and it's time for this week's Creature Feature presented by the Reptile Zoo. This week I'm talking about chameleons and why they change color. A lot of people believe that chameleons change color to blend into their surroundings, but that's not actually the case. That's the only reason chameleons don't change color. These guys change to let you know about their moods, what temperature they are, and even to communicate with other chameleons. Guillermo here is a nice dark green right now. That means that he is on the cooler side of things. Chameleons, when they're darker, are trying to actually absorb more heat. You guys know how a black car gets really hot on a hot day? That's because of its color. A white car doesn't absorb as much heat from the sun. So what he's trying to do is just warm up. Also, he can change color to let other chameleons know how he's feeling. If he sees another male panther chameleon, he can actually go from this nice, beautiful greenish teal to a bright orange to let them know that he's the boss. If he sees a female chameleon, he will put on his most vivid display, trying to show her that he is the top dog. Chameleons can change color based on special skin cells that they have. Their top layer of skin is actually clear. Then they have a layer of red pigmented cells, yellow pigmented cells, and blue pigmented cells. By expanding or contracting the pigment in their cells, they can actually blend different colors. So right now, Guillermo has his blue and his yellow cells expanded, and his orange and red cells contracted.